Sir?
Yeah, let's do like like that.
Alright, let's do it.
Yeah, boy, yeah.
This is a good bro. One of us should become a marine and just put him inside the jail.
That's too much
That would be so.
You
That would be
can't
so
hold it. If you become a
toxic.
Marine, you lose all
We're
your
gonna
bounty.
lose all our
You
bounty.
can't jail a Marine. You can't jail a Marine.
Oh
I
yeah,
think
yeah.
Yeah, you can't.
No,
change
you
the marine.
can. No, you can jail a marine.
No, you can't.
No,
You can't.
no, you can't.
You
Are you
can't
gonna
jail your
jail
own
police
Are you
bounty.
sure?
officer?
Because I don't know. One time we just put some dude in the cage.
You can't.
Well,
Hey,
you
yo,
can
yo,
that
You
one.
Yeah.
can put someone in the cage,
Come here.
but you
Not
can't
cuff
arrest them.
him.
Look, come here. Hey, let's show the fit, bro. We gotta show off our fit.
Hold on, let me give this kid money.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeesh. That boy dripping.
Hey, hold on, I'm gonna see his reaction, bro. Hold up. Let's see.
That boy drippy. Here, drop it near me. Drop it near
Oh,
me.
he said like at
Yeah, drop it
200.
near me.
I know.
Little did he know that'd be his fate.
Don't drop it, don't drop it.
Oh, they're all out of thingy.
Oh, I didn't get it.
I'll let them. I'll give away
Oh,
10k.
okay.
I'll give away 10k. I don't mind that.
Bro, I have max money. I can give away. Who
Bro,
wanna
how
fight?
do you lose with high ass bounty though?
Oh, he said Shadow Void. He said nah. He wanna fight. No. And no.
Let's do that's Gura.
People don't know about the barrel strategies, bro.
We leaving the server?
Bro, that guy, yo, he better do a 1v1. Yo, hold up. What's his bounty? What his bounty looking like? Oh, he's the only marine in this.
shit.
Oh,
server.
Boxy! This is Jay. He's 30k. He has 30k. This guy has 30k.
30k. Okay.
Lethals. This guy has 30k. This
Robloxy? What are we gonna do?
Yeah,
We're gonna get him.
right there.
We're gonna get him.
Shit.
Oh shoot.
Oh, nah, he's whooping his ass right now. I don't know.
We could jump. We
It's
could
a
all
squeaker.
jump.
It's a squeaker.
We could all jump.
It's a squeaker. The guy, the Roblox kid is a squeaker.
Really?
You
Bro,
know,
we all
you
just
heard
got
it.
up with
Oh,
Yeah,
shoot.
I joined the stream.
Only if Maine was here? What is this
Damn,
guy
bro, he
talking
is
about?
Whooping his ass, bro. This girl is whooping him.
Oh, there you go.
There you go. Come on.
Bro, bro.
Oh, never mind. Yo, he dead.
Bro.
Yo,
Dude, this
man.
guy's ulting, bruh.
Oh.
No,
Oh.
he's
Yeah,
in safe zone. It doesn't hit if
Yeah,
he's
safe
in
zone.
safe zone.
Okay.
Yeah, he dead, bro.
Yeah, I want to stomp him. This Jay guy.
He has PvP stats on with like M1s. So fruit users, if you guys can just stay
Yo,
there.
what do I just peek? Do I peek Jewels of Light when he gets knocked?
He's not.
Did we?
You could. Oh,
Okay,
yeah,
what do we do? What do we do?
Still in
we're
combat,
in-
he's still in
then safe-
combat, you can hit him.
Yeah. He's if we
Hey.
go
Run
out,
out of safe zone.
Dude,
Okay, we're out of
Oh my
safe zone.
God, dude.
I'm out of safe
This
zone.
is-
What do we?
there-
Hurry!
there's
We
gonna
gotta
be
do
a
something
war.
now.
There's gonna be a
Hit him
war.
right in the group of people.
Wait, hold on. Invite someone.
Yo, you can fling his ass in the water.
Come on,
Yo,
bro!
fast,
Hurry!
hold
Hurry!
on. Zed,
Should I just do
invite
it?
people.
I could do it.
Zed, invite people so they
As
could
long
be
as
on our
he's
team.
holding him, he's not gonna get out of combat.
Zed, invite Super T-Man so he
Okay.
could be in our team, just in case.
He's
We have a
carrying
war.
the guy. He's still carrying the guy, so he's still in combat.
Yo, I
Which
sense
is-
a war.
Bro,
going on.
all of us can
Just
light kick
invite.
him and we can fling him into the water and he can die. Yo, to try to
Hold
fling
on.
him into the water.
Can I?
Someone do it before he gets into a safe zone.
He dropped the guy. He dropped him. You guys have to hurry up and hit
No,
him.
hurry! Gotta hurry.
Someone hit him, bruh.
Wow.
You can't even hit him.
Can't even hit him anymore.
Actually, I don't even know if I hit him.
Oh, he got out. He got out of safe zone. He got out.
Oh no, he's in our party.
He ulted.
I'm in
Super-
safe zone.
No, Super T-Man is in the party because you told me to invite him. Someone
yeah,
told me to invite him.
I got mixed up.
You're not even paying attention.
Someone hit me in the girl. Oh my
Combat, I'm in
gosh.
combat.
Who
Who
hit
was
me?
that?
Who hit
Here,
me?
he's right there. I hit him.
Spawn your CB.
I flung him into the water. Bro.
Bro,
Who's
who's
the
oh,
other girl,
set your
bro?
spawn, set your spawn, guys, just in case.
Oh shit,
yeah,
yo,
yeah.
I think he summoned his CBs.
Oh, we'll
that's
wipe
my-
that. We'll wipe
fine.
that.
Y'all summoned your CBs, bro. I was like,
Where's the dude? Where's the dude at?
oh no, he's pretty low
Dude,
though.
look at this other guy, Spartan Lock.
Oh, he's spawning you CB. He's
He's right there.
Where is he? Oh,
I'll kill the sea beast.
Yeah, kill
I'm
the
hitting
CBs.
him. Where is he?
Why are you guys jumping?
I'm
Where
damaging
is
them, but I'm staying in safe zone because I'm a CVs.
Where is
Oh,
he?
He's right here. He's right here. He's at the potion shop. Potion shop.
I
He's
killed
trying.
the
He's trying to
CVs.
get out.
I
He's
killed
trying to
the
get out.
CVs.
Yep, one.
He's in the middle of the roadway.
I the potion shop. Where is he? He's
He's
not inside. I have my observation.
He's right here. He's on me.
him.
He's on me. Me and Cripple.
Where?
In front of boat shop. Oh, he's on the docks. He's underneath
He's
it.
on the
He's
dock?
above it. He's going next to potions.
Oh, I see him. I see him. I see him.
Hit him. Oh,
Who's getting
Hold
the
on.
bounty?
Oh no, anybody can get it.
Yeah, no, I don't care. It won't matter.
Oh, let me get it. Let me get it. Let me get it. Let me get it.
Is he
no,
dead?
no, carry him. Carry him to the back. Tell him you dropped the kid. Tell him you dropped
I have him. I have him. I have him.
Tell
I
him
have
you
him, I
dropped
have him.
Cab in the water.
Huh?
Cab guy is right here, bro.
Fuck this guy.
Yo, you just stole his body. Bro, his mom, he lost all
Oh,
his
he's
body.
coming. He's coming for it. He's coming with a vengeance.
Right
Oh,
there,
shit.
right there.
I'm getting hit. I'm getting
Wait, Cab? We're killing Cab too?
Yeah, get him, get him.
Oh.
Hold on, wait for him to
Watch out for the
stop.
ultis.
Yeah, there's a lot of girl
wait.
ultis, bruh.
I'm fine.
Oh no, they're safe zone. They didn't even hurt us.
No, the
But
girl
who's
ult
on
still
the
hurt.
floor? Who is that?
Hey, I'm attacking Cab. I'm attacking
Bro,
Cab.
who just got folded? Hey, free bounty.
Wait,
He's out.
Cab,
He's at Marine NPCs. Oh, he's
What's up, Africa?
Cab's right there.
African.
Get Cab.
Join
Carrying it,
public.
carrying it.
Oh, he's
Wait, I'm
that guy is holding
gonna
on.
get the reaction, bro.
Oh, what's going on?
We're
The
ganking.
guy he's
right now.
holding is that guy.
Oh my god, this is so
Stamina
cancer.
ain't dead yet, bro. Shit.
light
I'm
ray,
just
just
gonna
light
go
ray,
for
just
it.
light ray. Oh, who has Gura?
Oh shit, yo, I think that's him.
Who's that dude with Gura? He just grabbed him. Oh, he's down.
Yeah, he's a team money guy or
Yeah,
something.
Yo,
Don't grip him.
Oh
Oh.
shit, that's Cab.
He's gonna just get up again.
Hold on, yo, I'm gonna take him away.
Right to the party.
I mean, you can do it. Okay.
I'm running away with him, bro.
Do what you guys
Great
want with him.
God.
I don't mind, but I'm not gonna grip him.
Yeah, make
Yeah?
sure he doesn't get out, bro.
Oh, poor Rami. This dude
Running
is.
with
Make sure he doesn't get out of combat, but you do whatever you want with him.
Who's this? Who's this blue guy?
I'm just wait. Who's streaming? Is it Cab?
No, nobody's streaming.
Yeah,
it's
Cab
who's
is. Cab
streaming.
is.
Bro, I have him in my arms right now.
Oh shoot!
Yo,
Really?
I'm gonna get their. I'm gonna get their reaction.
Oh shit, yo, girl is on me. A girl is on me.
On your computer. Yes, there is a venom. It's on your computer. It tastes bad.
Sword idiots, bro.
What the fuck, little bitch? I will have to comment antivirus.
Yo, should I skip Marine for G1 and Grand in Ilo Island?
Oh, I'm getting Miami. Ah!
Hey, yo, Cab, run up the party, Cab, run up the party, invite that man in the party, Cab.
All right, what's his
I'm
what's
trying,
his
bro.
Discord? I mean, what's his
I don't
name?
know,
What's his name?
I don't know. It's the Goro user,
Man just got
I need to know what's his user, bro. I can't. I don't know.
Yo, Lito, did you leave the stream? Did you leave
Yeah.
He said, no, he said, yo, I need to get this man's user. He clicked on you, muy bien.
Really?
Yes, and I looked if you're in it, and then I saw you left, and then I was like, no, I need to tell Lito this.
Yo, he's Ryan Logan.
Get my user. How did he get my user?
He said, oh, there's this Goro user that's fighting me, and I'm like, bruh, no one here uses Goro, so I don't know. And he said, there's people saying like, invite me to party. They're like, invite me to party, and then they're like telling him that.
He's running right now,
They're
bro.
telling Cab.
He's a track star right now. On God.
But he was in the water. No, he was in the
someone
water.
block, someone-
Cab was in the water on the stream.
Hold on, let me rejoin.
The Spartan kid is fighting. Yeah.
African, why did
kid.
you leave?
Wait, you guys invited the Spartan kid?
Someone told me to invite the super team man.
I hit him. I keep
Oh,
hitting him.
wait.
Hit him again.
That
I just invited a super team man. I don't know who that is.
Yeah, invite him.
Yeah,
Invite him. Yeah.
I'm
We just need people, just in case a war happens.
Okay, so who do I invite?
Just super team, man. I guess
on.
you can find more people if you want. But oh shoot.
Cause
Yo,
I'll
right here.
Oh shit, yo,
oh, who
white
has
beard.
Gura? Who has
Oh.
Gura?
The
We
girl
need-
didn't do anything. I think
need-
that guy was in safe zone.
We need that dude that has Gura.
Nah, I got hit. I got hit.
I got hit, but it did
Oh, I
like no
found
damage.
Robloxy!
Yeah, he's hiding behind the house.
Oh, I see him.
Oh, the cab kid, the cab. Cab dude is right here.
He's still behind the house.
I'm gonna grip the Robloxy guy.
Oh, you're gripping
Yeah,
him?
gripping, gripping.
I got 44k now.
Oh,
Spartan
my
Lock!
God.
Oh
Who's
shit,
Spartan
yo,
Lock?
oh, yeah, he ulted!
Wait, should I invite Spartan Lock? I'm gonna invite Spartan Lock.
Yeah, Spartan. Invite him, invite him, invite him.
Oh.
Oh, Cab is right here, bro.
Yeah, he's right there. Get the kid.
Y'all show.
He's already in a party. I think that's the kid that said
Right.
to invite him. Cause Cab was
Dude,
he
I'm
was
gonna
telling
back there.
some
We
kid
got
was telling him to
Oh,
invite
bro.
him. Cab, and I think it was Spartan, cause he said he's joining. I don't know what he meant by that, like joining the game or
Yo,
joining
yo,
the
yo, yo,
party.
Cab is limping. Cab is limping right now.
Wait, let me grip that cab kid. Right?
Bro, who has Gura? My screen.
I know, bro.
Like, bruh, chill out.
Wait, cab
Cab is
kid is right
down?
here.
He's down? Oh, no. He's tech eyeing. He's tech
Go,
eyeing.
go. Break
I
that
got
light
you.
right now.
I got you.
Down.
Yo,
Oh, he's dead. He's dead. He's dead.
Is that Cab? Is that Cab?
No, wait, let me grip him. He's streaming. Wait, let me grip him.
No, wait, I have him.
Okay, get out of here. Get out of here. No, we can't grip him here.
Wait, let me
Yo,
grip because he.
the girl's right here.
Too
The
late,
girl's
I
right
got
here.
him. I got him.
Bruh, he clicked on my name. That's why, bro. That's why I wanted to grip him.
Oh, sorry.
The girl is right here.
Okay, if you got someone that's
The girl is like. I think the
Okay,
girl's.
you just get him again. Oh, I'm low. I need to heal.
oh, there's a dude. There's a dude at potions.
No, I have potions in my inventory already.
No, like at the shop, like the potions.
I stocked up.
Alright, invite.
Oh, he's dead.
He's dead. He's dead.
Who's that? Who's that?
That's that. He has Gura. He has Gura.
Oh, should I invite him?
No, wait.
Don't invite. We need some people to. Oh,
Girl, this
you're a
guy's
guy on me.
girl.
You're a guy on me.
You guys can grip him if you
No.
want. I'm not gonna grip him. I'm just
Okay.
gripping
I'll just grip
Robloxy.
Y'all have shells, right?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna go,
Yeah,
guys.
fine.
I'm gonna be AFK and save some. I gotta eat.
You out of combat?
Yeah, I'm out of combat.
Okay.
Right, Shell. Set your
Wait.
spawn.
Did you die from the Gura guy? No, he didn't die. He didn't lose any bounty.
He was just low HP. He didn't die.
Wait, dude, the cab guy is calling some
Yo,
marines, bro.
somebody's not potions.
Yo, cab just said calling some marines. Hold up.
Wait,
Oh,
inside the
Oh, are you
thingy?
part of people in the
Who's that?
Grand Peace GPO
Who's
server?
that?
Yeah.
Yo,
They're in
yo,
the
cab
cab.
is gonna get marines. He's gonna
Oh,
get marines,
did
bro.
that Gura?
Yeah, this guy
Did that
is-
Gura
Wait,
dude
go
get
in
up?
safe zone. Hey, go in safe zone and clown him. Go clown him.
Boy wants to fight? Say less.
Where is he?
I said, hey guys, how's your day?
Pop. Oh, he tried to tech eye. Stupid.
Who
He's
is this?
dead.
Is this a Gura user?
He's
Wait.
dead. He's dead.
Oh!
Oh,
Oh!
shoot, Goro. Yo, watch out. Don't get too close to the water.
Oh, he dropped him to the ocean! Wait, who is this guy? Let's invite him.
The Goro is right here. I'm on the
Yeah.
Goro. I'm on him.
I wanna invite him. Let's invite him.
The Goro? Nah, he's trying to fight us.
No, he dropped the kid that had Gura and just dipped.
Yeah, but
Because he's trying to steal the bounty.
I guess. But that dude
I mean,
only
you
had
can
like.
invite him if you want, I guess. But...
Where'd he go?
I'm right on him, bro.
Oh. I need to
He's
put.
trying to
Let me
run.
see my spawn.
He said y'all finna get dropped.
Really? I thought he was
Yeah,
chilling.
He said y'all finna get dropped. He's talking about the cab guy. He said he's grabbing marines. He said.
Bet.
He knew that you were us, or yeah.
Yeah. Do you see my fit?
I'm gonna put what should I put for the title of this video?
like you know, ganking. Hey, whatever. Just say ganking,
Ganking.
something. Wait, we be ganking or so whatever. I don't know. Fuck you. You can do whatever you want. Why y'all jumping? Just the one.
He has Goro, he has
And then if they
Goro.
ask us why are you guys jumping randoms, and I would put why not.
He's trying to run until he gets out of combat.
I said, yeah, he said just run the one scared, and I said, I don't speak English. Oh, yo, he got a Marine, a Praycott, New York.
Oh,
And in my
bet. Wait, is he inside? Oh, we need Dreams. Wait, everyone go in a safe
doesn't
zone. We
matter.
gotta wait for Dreams, bruh.
This is
Excuse me. Alright.
African
Let's
right
see.
here. Oh, I guess he doesn't.
Wait, yo, get out of combat and just
What
run.
the hell happened, Luca? You good?
See that's the dream?
Bro.
Look at James. What are you talking about? Bro?
Yes, it is. Hey, yo, oh, that's so rougher now? Say no more, bro.
Come over here. Come over here. Are you guys fighting someone?
I'll do
Yeah, I
math
am.
later.
Huh? Where? Where?
Somebody has the fucking ultra instinct to me. Is this a public server or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
There's one Marine that joined. Yes, 30, 39.
That is bringing an admin a wipe? What?
I'm sending
way.
what?
Yeah, but
Oh, yeah, there's no way you're gonna do that, bro.
No, there's no. We're just playing the game.
That
Right.
y'all better run when I use that. That's
yeah,
abuse.
you can use it. No balls, bro.
That's literally
Hey, I got
abuse.
one of the dudes. Look at this.
That's abuse on the admin, bro. What?
Yeah.
He can't do that. It's a public server, bro. If it was a private server, then yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah.
It's literally a
Just
public
operate.
server.
Anybody
that.
can do anything.
Yeah.
What
Where's
the
Cap?
freak happened?
Who even knows if he's an admin? He's probably joking. He's probably capping.
If he does do that, that'd be good title,
Oh,
bro.
another Marine joined. Another Marine.
Admin abuses his power.
Another Marine joined.
Yo,
50k bound. 50k
Thank
bounty.
you.
50K.
Yeah, I'm recording everything.
50K. This guy right here is
Hold on.
50k.
Well, they brought a lot of people. They came and tried to jump me, but I ran.
Oh.
This guy right here is
title.
50k. This
Shut
guy
up.
right here is 50K.
thinking.
Do we
Admin
announce?
abuses
Do we
his power.
announce in Ruby Eyed, bro? Do we get everyone? Bro, where's Icarus, bro? Like,
Another person joined.
Ooh, we might get,
I know he didn't join.
might get trading Wednesday or Thursday.
Yo, the Goro is trying to fight, bro.
Oh yeah, trading
Oh.
on Thursday.
Yeah.
Or
Bro, who
Wednesday.
plays Goro,
Wednesday
like-
and Thursday. Or Thursday.
I'm in safe zone.
I
I'm
can't wait,
Gucci.
bro.
I'm waiting for what's his face? We're super. I'm gonna just invite anyone that wants to join.
This guy's trying to ult us. What? We're not
We're all,
in
bro, we're all-
combat, bro.
yeah. We should be good for now.
Yeah, we should be.
Red roulette.
Hey, boys,
It'd
I'm back.
be
I'm back.
so
What's
mad.
happening?
Oh,
Are these
laggy,
guys-
bro.
Are these guys? What are they doing?
They say, Jim. They said they're getting an admin to wipe.
What? We're literally
Yeah.
not doing anything. We're just.
They're gonna wipe the server, like, dude, they're
I don't
killing
know.
someone. They're killing someone.
Aren't
They're
they?
gripping someone. Wait,
What? Wait, who
they
got
grip.
gripped?
Wow.
They probably thought they were with us.
Who is that? Who
No, wait,
just
it
got
was
gripped?
someone with us. It was, I think, Super
Yeah.
T Man.
Damn.
Well, I don't even know who that guy is. Oh, it is super.
I
he got
think
gripped.
Dreams told me to invite him. So.
My
Mhm.
frames again. Oh yeah, I just wanted to advise some people
Bro,
because if there's a war that
bro, ultimates are
there's a
killing
war
the
that
frames,
goes on.
bro. Oh, it's a
Rats.
Hiei user. It's a Hiei.
Oh, they're out of comp. They're out. They're out. They're out. Go, 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 go,
They're out,
go,
they're
go,
out, they're out.
go, 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 go,
Wait, go.
go, go, go. Hurry.
Go where?
Oh, I got one dude. I got one dude.
Bro, my Pika is not even exploding, bro. My ultimate.
Dude, I'm getting so much bouncy, bro.
Combat.
Oh my
Yo, watch out, watch
goodness.
out, watch
My
out.
frames.
Yo, guys,
Wait, watch out for
that,
water. Watch out for
gravity.
water.
Watch out for the gravity ultimate.
Yeah.
Watch out for Gura too. Make sure we watch.
That guy's a
Tori.
phoenix.
Tori.
Oh, that's Cab, bro. Cab is holding his tech eye again.
Gang, bro, this guy is such a bum, bro.
Oh, I'm lagging, bruh.
He's dead.
Yeah.
Cab's
Dead. Wait, let me grip, Cap.
Let me grip him, let me grip him.
All they're doing is ulting.
Oh,
Watch out
yo,
for the
behind,
Marines.
push your shot behind.
Let me grip.
potions.
I'm gonna grip. I'm gonna grip.
Behind potions.
Hacker? What?
What?
Huh?
Yo, Gura, I'm
Alright, bet, 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 bet.
Randoms fighting each other. What? Yo, that's gotta be the funniest thing ever. There's like two random people. They weren't even in the party or anything. They were just fighting each other. It's a Tory?
Yo, there's a
Tory
here, there's a
thing
here.
at
Watch
random.
out,
Is it here? Is it here? Oh, okay, hold on.
50k bounty, guys. Yes.
Oh, bro, now my turn. I need.
Yes. All right, I'm not gripping anymore.
I'm having such a struggle.
Oh, dude, I grip seismic. And apricot.
Ah!
Oh, get
No,
out,
no,
get out, get out of there, get out of there.
Bro, the here thinks he can draw me for some reason. I don't
Alright,
know why.
here I think he's nice.
Bro, this guy said hacker. Like what? Bro, I'm just
Yeah,
playing the
bro,
game,
there's
bro.
water,
You
there's camping water.
Oh, here,
Yo,
get
you
this
guys
here,
be
get this
careful,
here.
there's camping water.
They got a girl.
Dude, this is
Hey,
fun.
watch out. Hey, sushi.
Oh.
Sushi.
Hey, yo, I'm ulting, I'm ulting. Yeah, I'm ulting on the side of the water.
Sushi. Oh,
I'm getting
hey,
hit
go,
by
go, go.
yeah, I'm getting hit by the. Oh, I got hit.
Oh, same.
Yo, I'm lighting up this Pika.
Love it,
Yo, the
love
Pika
it.
is limping. He just flew away.
Dude, that girl user is like literally, he's soloing. He's not even in a party. He said he claimed.
Yo, get this guy, get this guy.
Oh, fuck.
I am.
Yeah, uses.
Dude, there's a Pika user. Get him, bruh.
Yeah, I'm on him still.
Yo, on me. Who is
Yeah,
this?
I'm here.
Juicy.
The twerp. He keeps running and going, bruh. I mean, yeah.
Hey, yo, I need to equip stamina
I
potions
need
and.
backup, bro. I'm about to die.
Let me
Where
see,
are you? Where are you?
I'm right here. I'm right here. You're not gonna die. Just I can't hit this guy.
Oh,
He's too.
that Gura guy is dead. That
Bruh.
Gura is dead, bro.
Yeah, you guys saw that? You guys.
Yeah, I saw.
I'm
Oh
hitting
shoot,
his feet.
yo!
I hate it.
Pika, yo, that Pika's, bro. I'm gonna die. I'm on
Bro,
200
oh my
HP.
god, I'm
Gloves
low,
down
I'm
here.
low, I'm low. I really need help.
I'm trying my best, bro, but I can't hit this dude. This dude is so fast.
He's
Alright,
carrying me,
I'm
he
drinking
got me,
potions.
He's carrying me.
Wait, where are
He's
you?
in-
Where are
he's
you?
going in Poach, he's going in boat shop. Oh my god.
Boat shop? Okay,
Oh
wait.
my god, oh my god, you saved me. Oh my god, dude.
I got you. I got you.
Yo, guys, boat shop, everyone on boat shop, please.
Wait,
I know. I'm trying to get you out. I'm trying to get
I'm
you out.
inside, knock. He's gonna stop me. He's bringing me out.
I'm
Drop me
taking my
into the water.
potions, bro. Hold up, I'm coming now. I'm coming.
Yo, I'm getting carried. Yo, back.
Back.
Wait, what?
I got you.
I don't know where he is,
Oh,
bro.
he caught me. How is he getting stop full health?
Dude, I'm so laggy
I'm
too.
dead.
Yeah, my friend
Oh.
again. Shit on.
Bro, I need help, bro.
Where?
I'm
Where?
being
Where you at?
into dock. Oh my god.
Oh, my friend.
I'm ulting.
Well, I'm
Basically,
getting
I
jumped.
basically- bro,
I'm
bro,
getting
bro.
jumped. I need help.
Are you at the next to the beach?
Yes, I'm next
Okay.
to the beach. I need help, bro. He's carrying me.
I know. I'm right here.
I'll throw it down.
I have no stam. I have no stam. Someone else come here. I'm gonna drink.
Come on.
I ulted the girl.
He's bringing me to
they're
Marine.
chasing you,
Bring me
they're
to
chasing
Marine.
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm
Bring me
here.
to Marine, bro. Hurry.
Okay.
Yeah, Marine?
Oh my god.
Here,
I'm
here,
going
here.
to jail. I'm going to jail, bro.
Fuck, I hit my head.
God, bro.
Get off of him!
I'm dead.
I'm in
Oh
jail.
my god.
Oh, they're just all inside of there?
Bruh.
Yeah, they're all in there, bro.
They're on me too. On me too. It's iframes. It's iframes.
Oh, yo, that Tory, bro.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
I'm
die.
gone. I'm gone, bro. I'm sorry, bro.
I'm gone, bro. I can't,
was
bro.
the whole- it was the whole
all
Tory-
3 of them are in there, bro. And they're
Just try to
just-
dip. Said try to dip. You
Dip?
can't lose your 50k. No, try. Don't actually.
Yo,
you know,
go,
like
go,
run
go,
away. Run away.
go
Just
Marines,
run away.
Bro. Go in Marines, please. This guy's taunting
I'm
me.
really low. I'm on 100 HP.
Oh my
Hey,
god.
okay, everyone retreat. We just gotta save dreams, bruh.
I just lost 7k.
Where is he?
I'm in jail right now.
He's in jail?
They jailed me.
Yeah.
Hey, this
They
guy,
had 2 Pikas in there. They started ulting.
Yeah.
Where is
that-
it?
I tried to save him, but
he actually
I
brought
was
people.
getting ulted.
I'm gonna invite people because we have no one anymore.
Who are we gonna invite?
Manual
Oh,
Pro,
I just lost so much.
Spartan Lock.
Trying to heal up a little bit before I go back out there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, hell. The only issue is my frames, man.
How can I get you out of there though? Jim?
Yeah, we're gonna get you out
need
of
a
there.
key, you need a key. You need keys.
You can't get
You
me
need a
out.
grip of Marine. Oh, shoot. Yo, this Gura user.
Wait, I
Is
could.
there revenge?
Oh, what the?
He didn't jump the key,
Yo,
huh?
No.
on me right now.
I'm putting pressure. I'm coming. What if we all chilled in the what do you call it? In the marine base.
No. They can come in
Nah.
and start spamming their stuff.
Oh,
Pika,
oh, oh.
Pika, Pika.
Pika,
Yeah,
Pika.
I'm coming.
This
Let's
sucks.
just shoot at him. Let's shoot at him.
He's on me. He's on me, bro.
Yeah,
Oh my
I
god,
got
there's
you.
no
Many
low. He
people.
knows I'm low.
He's by himself, bro. What is he doing?
Where'd he go?
He ran.
Oh, they're on us, bro. I'm max though. I'm max health. I'm max health.
Yeah. Me too.
Bro, I can't even see.
Oh
He's
my
like,
gosh, bruh. I can't even see as well.
bro, they were all chasing me, but then somebody.
Oh,
ulted
Manuel
and
Pro,
one of
join our
these-
the
Bro,
run.
they're targeting me. They're targeting me.
Oh my god, they're all on me.
The other 50k dude joined our party.
Oh my god.
Bro, the Pika. Yo, their ultimate is not even exploding, bro.
Oh, I hit the girl kid with all my freaking ult, bro. He's low.
Yo, someone's knocked. Someone's knocked. They're
Yeah.
carrying someone.
Yeah, I see
They're trying
that.
to jail him. Looks like they're trying to jail him.
Oh,
What the hell did he come from?
Who's knocked?
So they're taking somebody to the jail. I'm gonna camp inside of there. I'm gonna camp inside.
We need someone to
I'm
be
out,
in
I'm out.
jail. There you go.
I'm camping inside. I'm
There's
getting my ult
two
ready.
people right here. There's 3 people.
I know. There's 3 on us.
Yo,
There's 3 on me on
Dream.
Spuddy. I'm ulting.
Dreams,
Oh.
Dreams, when he comes in here, Dreams, I'm gonna ult.
Okay.
He's trying to get up in here, I think. He's
Oh my
carrying
god,
someone.
I got 3 on me. Oh, nice. Good stuff there.
Nice. Crippled. I think that's
Yes,
right?
yes.
Is that-
And that's I'm here too. Me and Spider are getting 3v2'd. We need help behind Marine
Yeah.
Fort. Please.
Oh,
It's
we
a girl and a
are
Pika.
fighting like 3 people right now. 3
Yo,
Marines.
Dream, how much time do you have?
Oh, and EA too.
I have 2
I'm
more
good here.
minutes left.
How much time do you have left in there?
I'm like half
Come on.
health, bruh.
2 more minutes. 2 more
For
minutes.
minutes. We need a good. Yo, we need to get one of these Marines,
There's
bro.
a lot of people here, lethal.
Try to
I
get
need
away,
a
bro.
grip
I can't. I don't have
I
much to go.
fell in the water, so I'm fine. I'm not going to jail. I fell in the water. I'm gonna look down here though. Damn, bro. I think
Bro,
I held
ultimate is
it.
not even.
Bro, I need help. I'm getting tracked by 3 people.
Yeah, I died, bro. They took my bounty.
There's a lot of them.
We have
There's
too many
4.
on their
There's
side, yo.
4.
We need to
Yeah.
regroup.
There's 4 people. Wait,
need
we
to
need more
regroup.
people. We need more people, bro.
Who are the people that we're gonna get though?
I got Rampe Rampe Toto. He's in our party.
I'm dead.
Who's that hit me?
I'm dead.
Gosh.
No,
bro.
I'm dead. Yes.
Yo, is he carrying you?
No, I'd rather die in the water than get gripper.
Yeah,
I
same.
can't.
I'm getting infinite combo.
Should I die to the water too? I'm low.
If you
I'm coming to you.
Just
Wait.
die to the water if you have to.
Yeah, I
Don't let
just.
them
I'm
jail
a-
you, not let them
Please
jail
get
you.
me.
I'm gonna die to
Please
the
get
water.
me. No. He's gonna take my body back.
I see you! Lito! Lito, get away from the
I'm
ultimate!
dead. I'm dead.
Dude, their Tori keeps healing them.
Dude, there's so many of them compared to us, bro.
Exactly.
Oh my god, I'll try to
They
one
got
more
so
one.
many,
I'm
like-
a Pika user.
Oh,
They
I
have a
didn't set my
Sushi
spawn.
too,
Hold on,
bro.
wait.
Sushi ultimate is crazy.
They say it's-
Are you fine that you good? You're good, Cripple?
Yeah, I'm finding him on the water.
I can't
Yo.
that much.
Hey boys, I ain't gonna lie,
I'm
bro.
gonna 1v1 this guy.
Bro, there's 3 of them on me, ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, say I got 2 on me, a
You're
girl
looking
and
too
a
high.
Pika.
Saying looking too high.
We all lost. Oh, wait, I lost.
I can't get out of here.
I lost 5k bounty, bro.
I can't get out of here.
Bro, I think we should
Bro,
log.
I'm losing hella
Cap.
bounty.
Hey, once
Unless
you're
we
out
have
of
more
state,
people.
once you're out of combat, just like Zed. If you're out of combat, just dip, bro.
Log?
Just dip, yeah.
Yeah, cause like,
Not-
bro,
not
I
like
think
log.
Let's
Yeah,
skip
it's like I
combat,
don't know.
skip
Every
as
time I'm
much
trying to go
bounty
to
as
war,
we
it's
can.
just so laggy.
Yeah, facts. It's so luck. I was
My
running
frames,
what,
bro.
20
Like my
frames,
frames,
bro.
dude, my frames are getting shit.
God, bro,
I
this
felt-
game is so garbage.
I couldn't let my N1s at all.
When you have a good
Wait,
graphics
someone
in a
help
game,
Cripple.
bro, like, the whole game is laggy.
Dude, the CA user that you get invited is literally camping in the water and not doing anything, bro.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, he's getting carried.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead in the
I'm
water.
getting put in jail. Oh,
Yeah.
wait, who just saved me?
Oh wait,
They got
Wait,
me.
wait, don't.
Oh, thank
did.
you.
I was out of
Wait,
combat.
Oh,
I was out of
bro.
combat.
Yo, you
We
left the
did,
party.
right?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
did.
dip.
I did.
Oh,
Are you guys gonna dip, bruh?
Right, we stand up like.
No,
Yeah,
I feel
my-
bad
my
for.
frames,
Wait,
man.
I feel bad for Dreams though.
it's fine.
He only had 2 minutes left on his thing, though.
Yeah.
No, I-
There's no way we could have.
Oh, no, Dream's out. Dream is out. He got out.
He's out? Okay.
Dude, bro.
Alright, I
no.
just logged.
Okay, I logged.
Yeah,
Why
bro,
should-
just forget
you
that,
shouldn't have
bro. It's
combat
like-
log. No, because if you combat log,
I
you're going to
was
jail
gonna
either
get put
way.
into the jail.
Yeah.
You're going to
Yeah,
jail
I
either
didn't-
either
I
way
don't even
if you
care about
combat.
my bounty anyways, so it doesn't really matter.
Cripple had no choice. Cripple had no choice, bro.
Alright, I
They have
logged.
like 5 people.